What are you doing? What? You pick up sticks? What are you going to do with them? Looks like you're throwing the sticks. What is that?
A stick.
A stick? Do you like to collect sticks? Of course I do. I'm a boy.
A garage.
Garage, that's right. The door is closed, isn't it? Can you say knock knock? Knock knock. Does that make noise? Knock knock.
Noise.
What goes in the garage? What do we keep in the garage? Yeah, it is making noise. Look at Mommy. What is that? A W. What is the W on? What is that you're holding?
A flag.
A flag. You are holding the flag, but you really shouldn't pull it like that. You're going to break it. No, no. Thank you.
A leaf.
A leaf. The wind is blowing the leaf. Oh, there's another one. Oh, thank you. Say you're welcome. You're welcome. What did you say today when you saw your Bible video? Do you remember? What did you say today? Did you say sing to the Lord?
Sing the Lord.
Say it again. Say sing to the Lord.
Sing the Lord.
Here, let me see you. Say sing to the Lord. You're silly. Ha. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.